Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks again for stopping by. Today, of course, as you could tell by the title, easy cradle cap removal. Here's a few things that you'll need: a spray bottle with water, grapeseed oil, a baby comb or a cradle cap comb. Just Google it and I'm sure tons of them will pop up. You'll also need the shampoo, of course, and a boppy, which is optional. So you guys, I know it's been a long time since I've made a video and I do apologize, but I did have my baby back in June and this is baby Landon. We're going to be removing his cradle cap. He does have dry skin and we're going to focus on the crown and the front portion of his hairline. So just stay tuned. I'm just showing you what I'm using: the water bottle, grapeseed oil, baby comb. Here is the cradle cap comb. This is what it looks like. And we're going to just begin by spraying his hair. You want to make sure you get it really saturated, because in order to remove that cradle cap, which is really dry and sometimes even thick, it's hard in texture, you want to make sure you saturate it so you're not hurting the baby. You want to just gently massage his hair. In the video, I did pour up my hair first. However, I do like it best when you apply it directly to the scalp and massage. You're just going to continue to massage. Also, I do want to add that you can choose whatever oil you feel is best for your baby. I like grapeseed oil because it is light and it's unscented. So once you're all through with massaging, you're going to take that comb and begin to comb your baby's hair gently, of course, focusing on the scalp and just going slowly, because you're not trying to rake their hair or pull their hair out and cause hair loss. If you need more water, more oil, then use that. Also, I found it even better once I applied the shampoo. I combed his hair while it was shampooed and it came out, the cradle cap lifted up even easier. So that may be an option too. And if your baby does have a more serious case of cradle cap, then try the latter method of using the shampoo and even maybe a little bit more oil, letting it sit, massaging it with the cradle cap comb and with your hands, and then begin to comb your baby's hair gently. And I think that would work perfectly. Lastly, I'm just gonna give him a good shampoo and rinse his hair out. He's all done. He did such an amazing job. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope this tutorial was easy enough to learn, and if you do it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.